OrtobioMSK is a different kind of course. It's a course where more than 7 medical specialties come together.
You condense all the knowledge into 3 days in a compressed format and with extremely high quality.
As soon as you finish the course, the very next day you can already apply what you've learned. I believe
it's a benchmark course nationally and internationally.
Today, it is an almost indispensable course.
in many cases we can avoid having the patient undergo surgery and solve the problem in a simpler outpatient way.
I think that's where we're headed, to a new medicine, to a new era. The world that opens up is incredibly vast.
It is the medical revolution of the 21st century.
What are they doing in different parts of the world regarding regenerative medicine, and what innovative things can we offer our patients?
The ability to work with international partners is really what we need to do. So
we accelerate learning by holding these events. The
truth is that all the professionals I talk to end up delighted.
This is a course you have to attend.
It's great. I've been impressed. This is a top-tier gathering.
I hope Pedro's invitation continues year after year.
So far, I have had a great experience. Nice weather, nice photos, excellent conference arrangements.
This is what I always wanted to have during my training period.